Hey guys, Christian here. Today I'm going to take you through a new product. This is called the First Aid Plus. So, the First Aid Plus, how does it fit into the family? Well, as you are likely familiar, this is our current lineup, right? We've got the triage kit, which I love, one of my favorite products. 130 grams, ultra lightweight, designed to fit in your bike jersey, your chest pocket on your jacket, maybe some cargo pants if you're one of those guys. First aid and gear repair, perfect for those times when you want to move fast, you want to move light, but you want some coverage. I take this with me literally everywhere I go. I've got 3 of these in my truck. Love this thing. We've got the First Aid Core, which comes in the 72. It's just a really nice, comprehensive little first aid kit with everything you'd expect. Really tough shell, little belt loop holder. Great little kit here for your kids, for the office, for your desk, whatnot. A step up from there, First Aid Pro, just more stuff. I mean, this is what I keep in my truck. It's what I take when I'm camping with a group of people. You've got more bandages, more pieces, plus you've got just a lot of great tools in here for all sorts of different wounds or injuries. But we want to take it up a notch. And today we're going to talk about First Aid Plus. Let me take it out of the package here. So the first thing you're going to notice here is the size and the material. Now here it is sitting next to the First Aid Pro. You can see it's substantially bigger. Now what this is everything that's in the First Aid Pro plus, hence the name, additional tools. We really loved what we learned from this guy, and that's that a lot of times before there's an emergency, there's a breakdown in your gear. Maybe a seat post on your bike breaks, maybe a binding on your skis break, whatever it is, a shoelace. All those things can lead to injury through a rolled ankle or a crash or whatnot. Sometimes fixing the problem with your gear is the first step, and we took that learning from this guy and just made a burly kit here. So before we get inside, let's talk about the outside. Once again, 600D tarpaulin, welded, dual coated. This is 100% waterproof. You throw it under water, it's not gonna get wet. We've got a super waterproof zipper. We've got welded material. One of the things I like about the zipper is, as you know, or as you likely know, waterproof zippers are pretty hard to pull. And this one's no exception. That first part's really tough. Now, if you're in extreme conditions, zip it all the way up. If you're not, you can keep it to about right here, and then it unzips super easy. So you've got 2 options there. You know, if you're in a dry environment, whatever, a little gap's not gonna make a big difference. You know you're gonna need to get into it quickly, easy to go. If you know it's gonna get real nasty out there, you push that thing all the way up, dock it, and it is completely sealed and airtight. On the back of this thing, we've got mollee. So it comes with 2 mollee straps and a mollee grid backer. Now, the one thing we did do is we added a layer of Velcro in here and 2 handles. The idea being, you hook this onto your side-by-side, onto your truck, onto your boat. You gotta go, you grab right here and rip, and this piece is off, and you can take it away while this stays attached to your vehicle. No messing with the mollee, trying to unhook it, running it through, and having to rehook it later. Super quick. But also this Velcro is extremely strong, and it is never going to come off of there, ever. Really nice way to carry and secure this first aid kit. Let's go to the inside. So on the inside, as with everything, we've got a ton of organization, a ton of labels. Now this looks a lot like the First Aid Pro. It's got all the same stuff. We've had to rearrange the configuration a little bit, but everything from CPR kits to saline solution to high quality shears. You can look at the list, which we'll post here in this video as well. You can see everything in here. I'm just gonna give you a quick overview for now. Now, where this gets a little different is if you turn the page. Now what you've got is effectively a mini survival kit. So in addition to first aid, you've got our multi-tool, our flashlight, duct tape, matches, glow sticks. You've got wet wipes. There's just a ton of stuff in here that I find myself using all the time, and I think it's a really nice addition to this kit for not much more money. All this packs tightly in. There's even a place for personal space in here. Zip this guy up, and this is just an amazing little kit to have with you in your home, in your vehicle, as you're going off-road and where weight is maybe not as critical, but you want some coverage.